if you're trying to get referrals for your membership, one way to encourage your existing members is to offer them a chance to win a free membership just for referring you people. So that's my third way. This is also very simple, and I'll tell you how to structure this. And it's just simply saying, hey, look, if you get me 3 to 5 referrals, pick the number that makes sense to you. Maybe even 5 is a good one, maybe 3 to 5. I'm going to give you, and I'll keep it simple, I'm going to give you membership for life. You may say, hey, Renee's crazy. Okay, if this person's paying me $20 a month and they refer me 5 people, that's 5 people, that's $100 a month. But what if they all cancel and I already gave this person a free membership? Let me tell you a secret with these 3 and you're free, or 5 and 4 and you pay no more, or I forgot what the 5 one is. But anyway, the reality with this is, if you say, hey, look, give me 4 people to sign up, even if they only sign up for 1 month, and I'll give you a free membership for life. The reality is, when you say that, the vast majority, I would say probably 95% of the people who refer you will refer you 1, 2, or 3 and will not hit 4. That's just the way it is. That's there's actually a Pareto's law, by the way, if you want to look it up, that says it's the 80-20 rule. You probably heard about that, but it's even, I would say, based on the numbers I've observed, it's probably about 95% of the people who refer, if you say 3 or 4 members, will be shy of earning it for free. That's the way it works. So yes, maybe out of 100 people, you'll have to give away 5 free memberships. But guess what? That's 100 people that already referred you 1 or 2 members. You probably have 200 or 300 memberships for free. I mean, referrals for free that you don't have to spend any ads on or anything. So trust me, the math adds up, because you're not giving away free memberships to everybody, because most people will not hit the goal. It's sad but true. That's just the way it works, and that's why people are able to do this, even if you feel like, hey, this doesn't quite add up. That's why. So, and it's also a very simple way. You could just tell them, hey, as soon as you hit 5 memberships, message us and we'll redeem you your free membership. Some people don't even message you, by the way, but and that's their fault. But the math adds up, and it's very simple for people to think. I think this is probably one of the most enticing, even more than bonus content sometimes, unless the bonus content is really juicy, that gets people to say, hey, yeah, you know what? You're kidding me. I got to get you 5 people, and then I don't have to pay for the rest of the life of the program. That's pretty cool. It gets people motivated. Again, though, I'm going to say with this, don't go crazy and say, no, I want 10 referrals, or I'm not going to give you free membership. Don't get so greedy, because people, if they feel it's unattainable, they're not going to go for it. I would say 3 or 4 tops. I mean, if you want to go 5, sure. But I mean, trust me, the math makes sense. Most people will not give you more than 2 anyway. So you're only going to have to give free memberships for life for a handful of them. And I like this because I know you could have an affiliate program, and I didn't want to even mention that. It's a whole different animal for that. But I like this better than paying people a 10% or 20% commission, because now you have to track that. Now you have to pay them that. Now you have to pay them on one person, right? I mean, your membership's $20 and someone refers you 1 person. Now you got to send them $2 every month. I mean, it's a pain. In this way, none of that, worry-free. Only ones that hit it, the threshold of 3 or 4 referrals, get the free membership, and everybody else, you don't have to worry about it at all. And since you're doing lifetime, guess what? You just set them up, you cancel their payment and let them stay for free, and you're done. There is no management at all. Only for one time for everyone who hits it. And you're super excited that they hit it, because they just sent you 3 referrals and a bunch of other people sent you 1 or 2. So again, if you're not doing at least one of these ways to get referrals, then what are you waiting for? But I guess, again, I'm going to say, go through your warm market, go through a soft launch first, and then start talking about this. So with that, moving on.